When Purdue suggested that they wanted to be the first university in the United States to offer a degree in manufacturing, we saw this as a perfect project to engage in.
We were inspired by the PTC X Factory that featured a lot of the technologies and capabilities that we want to bring into our facilities. We felt this is critically important to preparing the next generation engineers in manufacturing.
We've taken the experience that we've gotten in working with thousands of companies, the world's best leading global manufacturers, and we're bringing that to the curriculum and to the experience that one would get at Purdue University.
Our team has been working with Purdue and the professors at Purdue to not only design a new curriculum for learning about smart manufacturing, but also designing and building a learning factory. That type of learning is the most effective to develop a longer-term and deeper understanding of the technology, how it works, and its business value.
The skateboard that we're producing in the Smart Factory is completely designed with PTC's software, so work instructions for the operator, interaction with smart tools and devices on the factory floor, plus asset monitoring utilization gets fed back into the engineering world. So we have the complete closed loop of a digital thread for manufacturing.
By developing a smart manufacturing industrial informatics program at Purdue University, we can produce the kind of graduates that could help drive digital transformation in U.S. industries.
What we're trying to do is teach theory, but then follow that up with practicing that in the laboratory. We can end up thinking on our feet. We can troubleshoot and diagnose problems. There's plenty of opportunity in front of us. We're cruising down the runway and the front end of the plane is off the ground and we've got the throttle at wide open throttle. We're ready to take off.